Okay, hey! Today I'm going to give you a review of Ion Color Brilliance Permanent Color, okay? Check it out. I have an ongoing struggle for ashy blonde hair. I call it my eternal quest. Okay, I am Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. I'm 45 years old. I put out 2 videos a week. I swear I do hair things and makeup things, and if any of that interests you, please subscribe right now. But right now I'm going to give you a serious topic. I want to review Color Brilliance. This is 9V. For violet for very cool, okay? And I don't know quite where to begin, but I'm gonna begin right here with it did not work at all for me. I'm gonna show you what happened, but I'm gonna talk about it first. First, I wanna say that at the beginning of this using this, I actually had blue hair. But I did a bleach bath and it was very blonde, and then the roots were darker. Almost orange because I had bleached it, okay? But it was still maybe a 6. Maybe you could possibly say some parts were dark as a 5, but it was a 6 or a 7 even, okay? And then the edges were like 10, okay? So I used this. And I knew that it would, as it lightens, it would get more brassy, orange, yellow, right? So even though it says it knows it's lightening. So, but even to protect it, I even added this intensifier, ion intensifier, violet colored, and I added half the 2. Okay, because I knew I was already using a cool and this. And I also use a 30 developer. And if you look at the chart right here, I want to show you that it says it can lift my 6 or 7 hair to the 9 using a 30 developer. Right, see? So that's what I did. And I'll show you all the video, exactly what I did. I applied it to my roots and I did the whole thing and I ended up with orange hair. And that should not happen. So I cannot more strongly recommend that this does not work. Do not use it. I personally love Ion Demi colors, demi permanents and semi permanents. I use them all the time to tone my hair and color my kids' hair. And I had no problem. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna try their permanent color because the others work so well. This was a complete fucking failure. Completely wrong. It didn't barely lightened to the right color, and it didn't barely lightened, and it didn't go anywhere. There was no coolness left to it, and it knew that it was supposed to be cool. So that was it's just wrong. Do not use this. Now, if you want to see it, keep watching. I'll show you how I mixed it up. I did this great video. I was going to show you my great success story. Instead, I'm going to show you my great failure. Okay, so we're going to add 2 ounces of the 30 developer, the whole thing of the permanent hair dye, which is 2 ounces, and half of this container, which is will be a 1/4 ounce of the violet intensifier. So I'm going to add that first. So I'm editing this video and I'm wondering, why am I even showing you this? But I'm like showing you because look, I did everything right. Look, that's the violet intensifier. It's supposed to make it more blue, more ashy, and no, I ended up with yellow hair. So why am I showing you this? I don't know, I just kind of like looking at it all squeezing out there. So for your enjoyment, you can watch me. I mean, I did such a good job, look. And now it was wasted because Ion sucks. So here's what it looks like. And I'm gonna mix it all up and get ready. Let's go. It's gonna take a really long time to stir. I've been stirring for a while and it's still very chunky. So before I turn this off, okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this pre-color treatment. And it says you just comb it in and then you apply. You comb this in and then you apply this. All right, so here we go. Wow, that's a lot. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I'm just quickly showing you. I applied it all to the underneath and then slowly through just to the roots. And then I got a little help to slap some on the back. I don't think that's in the video. But that's what I did. And then look what happened. I waited 45 minutes and now I'm going to rinse it and come back and show you my orange locks. Okay, this is it. It's wet. I'm going to Sally's. My plans this was not supposed to come out this orange. I did everything according to the book of using the right things, and you really need to be a professional and know your products, because what they say isn't true. It's just, that's the way it is. It should never have turned this level of orange. With putting a cool dye on it, first of all, it should have gone right, and then adding the additive. Fucking A. Fuck. Here, look. Alright, so you saw it. You saw I had... I know, I'm in the process of changing from blue hair to a normal shade, which I'm still kind of working on, but you saw it. It did not work at all. It was a complete failure. It turned my hair orange instead of any shade of the cool that it was supposed to turn it to. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps. Don't use the permanent color, or be really careful. The demis and the semis, I've had great luck with. The permanent, especially with lighting, maybe if you were just depositing, but with lightening, did not work at all. I'm going to stick to the bleach. Thanks for watching.